know what goes on in my head, that like these random words come out and it makes me think of like what the fuck I'm thinking about. But anyways, today's video is going to be a review on the plate box that I got for April. And I'm excited to show you guys this because I feel like there's not that many videos out there of the Sephora play box, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people want to know what you get or if it's even worth investing in it. In my opinion, I've been on it for maybe a year now. It retails for $10, so $10 and you're getting 5 to 6 products, and the sample sizes are awesome. You get high brand products fitted to like what you want. It's a really cute bag. It always comes in a really cute bag based on like the theme of whatever you're getting. And this one says make it snappy. You guys can see that. Super cute. And what I like about it also is that it comes with on top of the box you get a card for 50 extra points. You can buy whatever you want and you just go to the cashier, you give your 50 points, you automatically get extra 50 points on your Beauty Insider, VIB, whatever status you're at. It has this really cute explanation of all the products that you're getting, telling you how to use them and what it's for, so I think that's awesome. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I got, and I also am probably going to tell you guys how much it retails for, because I still get amazed that for 10 bucks, and some of these products go up really high in sale price, so I always remember that it's worth it. So the first thing I got here is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and I got it in the shade SPL, but I guess it comes in like 20 different shades, so it shows me the 20 different ones and the ones that I got. It's really cute. It's like a light pink one with some shimmer in it. Not really, no, I have no, it has like a minty taste to it. I like it already. So I did want to show you guys, or tell you guys the retail price of whatever this. So the full size of these are retailing for $20. Oh my god, those shades are super cute. Yep, 20 different shades. Wow, these are really cute. So the full size one of these retails for $20. The next one of my top favorite makeup brands is the Makeup Forever. So I actually just ran out of their foundation, so I need to go, I need to restock on that because I'm only using my drugstore one, which is also my favorite, Neutrogena, but Makeup Forever is definitely my top fave. And this one is an Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen, and I got it in the shade 08, so it came in this little box. Let's see. And it's like this. It's actually really, really good, but it might not be my shade. Unless I get a good tan this summer, and we'll see. But let me see. So the retail price for the full size of this goes for $36. It's a good amount if you're trying to, like, you know, see if it works out for you. Okay, let's see the next one. So you also get perfume samples, which is pretty cool because I've gotten now, I have like a whole Ziploc bag of just like little travel size perfumes, and they smell so good. Oh my god. Wow, this one does smell really good. A little strong. It smells good though. Let's see. This one is the Elizabeth James Nirvana. So the full size of this shampoo. What am I thinking about? Okay, so the full size of this perfume goes for $85. And it's actually a cute bottle. If you go on the Sephora app and check it out, it's a really cute bottle. Okay, I still got 3 more products here to show you guys. The next one is, ooh, this is a good, so it's by Philosophy, a Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Oh, and I love how they have like little, I love this brand because it has like little philosophical. Did I say that right? I don't know if I said that right. Purity is finding balance and embracing our true selves. I believe that. I'm trying to think. I'm still looking to see what moisturizer I want to invest in. If you guys checked out my March favorites, there's one of my top favorites right now, which is the honey one, by the brand Pharmacy, and that's like pretty much my top favorite right now. But I'm gonna try this one out and see how this one works out. It's a ultralight moisturizer with vitamins and natural oils. So this one's cute. I'm like show you guys the box and not really the. I'm sorry. It's like this. Again, my box has more skincare because that's the way that I decided I wanted it. So that's why my boxes have been coming with more. If you're more of a makeup person, then you definitely want to put that you're more of a makeup person. The cool thing is also the Sephora app is that once you build a profile for the skincare, it asks you whether you're dry, oily, or combination. So then it'll send you products based off of what your answers are on the profile of the application. So I want to tell you guys how much this is. And then the full size for this one retails for $25, and I'm looking at it and it looks kind of cool because it looks like it comes kind of like in a spray bottle type of style. So then you just press on, which is good because then you don't have to like waste so much moisturizer, because sometimes you just need a little bit. So that works. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. The Fresh Lotus. Okay. I definitely want to try this out today. Oh my god, it looks so cool. It smells so good. It's like very natural products, which I love. So this one is the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm like not even. I love this because, like I said, a little goes a long way. So that's definitely. I want to read what it says based off of the. Let's see. A 5-minute facial in a jar that targets dull, rough, and dry skin. So again, in my profile, I put dry skin. So this is definitely. I would definitely want to see how this is going to work out for me. How to use: apply a nickel-size amount to clean dry skin in circular motions, leave for 5 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. Try to use it up to 3 times a week. Love it! Oh my god. Probably it's the one that I'm most excited about right now in this whole bag. So guys, the full size product for this, for the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, retails for $62. So if you definitely don't even know if you want to invest that much money in, this is a great box to invest in, just because you want to try out you want to try out a product. So $60, it's definitely a good sample to try out to even know whether you want to invest in the product in the first place. You know what I mean? Last but not least is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer. Wow. Okay. Definitely want to see this. This is a good size to try out. So it comes in this. Not really a fan of mattifying primers for me, just because, like I said, my skin's dry, so it doesn't really work out well for me. But I still am going to try it because I definitely want to see how it works for me. The full size one of this primer retails for $28. Looks like a really good size too. It says pretty much that it's good for all skin types: normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. So that's probably why it's in my box. So we're gonna try it out and we'll see how that works. Don't know why I'm talking like that. Why I say a lot of things. But there's that for the bag and the Play Sephora box. Like I said, if you guys are watching this video to see if you even want to subscribe, I'm going to leave the link below so that you guys can sign up. Sometimes the spots get full, so you might want to enter your email so that they can let you know when they're going to be opening up. But if you're even looking for a starter makeup slash skincare box, I think Sephora Play is a good one, especially because they send you really good products, high brand names that you probably want to be familiarized with. So I'm going to leave the link below. I'm also going to leave the link below for the products that I just mentioned as well. So in case you guys already know that you guys are interested in it or sounds good for you guys, then I'll leave that below for you guys as well. And yeah, I think that's it for today. That's pretty much what I wanted to do, just show you guys the box, and I think that's it. So I'll see you guys for next video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comment below if you want to check out different videos, what kind of videos you want to check out, or if you like this one, then give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.